Good afternoon. I am Arvind Noronna, a commerce graduate, studied in Kannada medium till 10th standard, is here to talk to you about a problem and what solution I have got for a problem which has not been solved for centuries. Is there anyone in this audience who has not experienced the free bites of mosquitoes? Yes, I knew that is the answer, but you don't have to run like that person when you see a mosquito. Mosquitoes move to more than 150 miles, not by flying. They will be pushed by the direction of the wind. So they don't have to pay any money for moving from one place to another. Whereas if we have to go 150 miles away, either you have to go by a flight, of course, a helicopter, or a car, it is costing depending on the energy what is being used. Yes, these are the various problems. I don't have to go tell one by one because it is a known thing. The number of people killed by mosquitoes so far are much more than the number of people died so far in all the wars. And mosquitoes are still killing us. You all know Mr. Bill Gates of Microsoft. During the TED conference 2009, he released live mosquitoes in the conference room expressing his deepest concerns. This need to be fixed. But he did not have any solution to fix, and also the funds marked for committed for malaria in 2009 are $1.78 billion, as well as expected to go beyond $5 billion annually. The countries marked in red are having the mosquito menace. More than 500 million people every year across the globe are suffering from mosquito-borne diseases. More than 1 million people die every year. 80% of them are all children, especially in African countries. Yes, what we have got against such a small creature? Existing solutions, mosquito repellents. Repellents, yes, they are only to spend our money in a small way, but every day. We know they are made out of harmful chemicals. They don't give 100% protection, but we have no other way than using them. Also in US market, there are mosquito traps, price $100 to $320 and even up to $1,000. But there are associated problems in using them because UV radiation will affect the eyesight as well as it will develop skin cancer. They also use a chemical called octanol. It is hazardous. The trap with $320 requires 3 LPG or propane gas cylinders in a month to operate, which is again fire hazardous. Now, what is the solution I have got? You all have seen the problem. You will be curious to know what I have got. Before that, I want to tell you the real facts, which is like a story. And I see in this audience, most of you are youngsters. I am 50-year-old. You still have a lot of time to think in my way. And today I am here, and I am sure tomorrow is your day to be here. I had worked for 3 years in an American manufacturing plant in Saudi Arabia, where we were manufacturing hundreds of construction chemicals and fireproofing products. I, being commerce graduate, I was on as an inventory controller. I somehow managed to get acquainted with the products, and from 1999 onwards, I started manufacturing waterproofing chemicals, as well as my products were used in repairing the structure above the sea, that is at JNPT port in Uran, to repair the deteriorated structure. That time, in the evening, one day it so happened, I met a senior citizen, and while chatting, he told me, mosquitoes are repelled for the smell of citronella oil, lemongrass oil. In my next visit to Mangalore, I went to the place where this citronella oil is available. It is very expensive, costing 600 rupees per liter. I bought 100 ml. I used my commerce brain. I mixed it to 1 liter coconut oil, which is costing 45 rupees. I made a mixture, made some bottles, gave to my friends, and I was taking an evaluation. What is the result? Whether I can compete with MNCs. It's a big market. After a few days of observation, a friend of mine in Mumbai, Mr. Hemant Kothare, he told me, Arvind, you are going back to Stone Age. We are in 21st century. America has gone such a forward. A product called mosquito magnet will attract, trap, and kill mosquitoes from 1 acre radius. So what is this? You are repelling, repelled mosquitoes will multiply into 300 folds. So I started thinking in another way. I started thinking and I searched that company. I asked for the agency for India. They gave me the address in Hyderabad, Sri Shakti Gas and Energy. The machine was priced, you won't believe, rupees 1,10,000 per unit. And you need another 5,000 rupees per month for 3 LPG cylinders and the octanol, which is a chemical waste. I went there. I was still confident in Mumbai I can sell that unit for 1.5 lakh because it is distributed cost. More than 50 flats are there in each society. 3,000 is not a big amount. But in my negotiation, deal did not strike. I came back empty-handed. But that passion was there in my mind, whether I can work on this research. Somehow I took appointment. I managed to meet the Vice President R&D of a MNC company. I proposed him, I'm ready to work on this. Will you support me? You have lab, you have other facilities. When he heard about it, he said, Mr. Noronha, we are not at all interested with this product, mosquito trap, because it is killing our existing income. We have more than 1,000 crores of turnover. 75% of that is our income. What will happen to this? After that, I came back, and I still remember the sentence what I read in that MNC office, R&D center. They are worshipping mosquitoes, not the God. And the line what is put there is, mosquitoes are one of the greatest creations of God. Yes. In 2002, I made a first prototype, a box type of thing, costed me 2,000 rupees. In between, I studied what makes mosquito to attract us. Why mosquitoes come on us. Main thing is the carbon dioxide. I bought carbon dioxide readily available cylinder, used it, and I managed to get more than 600 live mosquitoes within 2 hours, 5 o'clock till 7 o'clock. But my operating cost was 200 rupees per day. But that was the first step of climbing the ladder. Then I had sleepless nights. I had to bring that operating cost to 10 paise or 25 paise. Then it's a great thing. Though I am not a science student, I started working on chemical reaction on the crushed seashells. And at one stage, it so happened, I was not knowing the combination, whether to put water first to the acid or acid to the water. It went opposite, and I lost, my right eye was affected. For 6 months, I was unable to drive my car. But thank God, because of the medicines, eyesight is back to normal. And after those days, I was stressing my mind. When I sleep, I used to remember, okay, I did this exercise. What went wrong? Why I am not getting the result? Subconscious mind. Early in the morning, something will come, and I always keep a paper and a pen next to my pillow. I will write down, otherwise I will forget. So somehow I managed to get my the result, and I feel like expressing that my wife is the one who was most frustrated during my research, because every day she will say, I'll be bringing one or other box type of thing and I will dump in the house. And mostly women, they look for instant results. But now, of course, she's very happy because I got a patent and I got a lot of other credentials. The product is Mosquito mosquito trap. Don't worry, the product won't be of this size. This is my prototype. The product height will be almost half of this size, and when we on it in the night, there is a button on and off. Mosquitoes, wherever they are in the vicinity, will be attracted towards the white colored thing. Once they come to the range, there is a vacuuming system. They will be vacuumed inside from this top portion, and they will get collected in the removable collection container, which is at the bottom. And people can see the number of mosquitoes trapped and killed before they empty it in the dustbin. The maximum number of mosquitoes seen by Dr. Ghosh, the in charge of National Institute of Malaria Research in Bangalore, were 200 in one night. To tell you more, this product has got thank you. To tell you more, this product has brought me so many credentials. One of them is, I want to share that joy with you. It is the gold medal award from DST Lockheed Martin India Innovation Growth. I am told that gold medal is not to keep inside the pocket, to be worn. Yeah. Next credential is, it has also won the best electronic product under healthcare category in ISA. On 6th of September this year, I have signed engagement agreement with DRD of Ministry of Defense, India. Soldiers are to protect our country, and this unit is going to save our soldiers. Yes, credentials doesn't stop there. I am in the contesting for Bloomberg's UTV's 5 crore pitch for funding. My wish. I wish that the menace of mosquitoes and various diseases like malaria be eradicated from the entire planet, and may my solution be economical enough, eco-friendly, and available to all. I have the drive, the technology, the product, and the solution. I have to mention not only this product, I got the product, an outcome of my continuous research, which is for next generation. That is, the problem is in rural areas. I got the latest technology is costing less than 100 rupees. I have already identified the mosquito breeding locations. Every night or every day, thousands of mosquitoes can be eliminated at a cost less than 100 rupees. And shocking news is IC Square Institute, the program managers of DST Lockheed Martin process, they have found out nowadays mosquitoes are graduated even to spread HIV AIDS, which is a shocking news, and it is a question of life and death. So, do you want to be a part of the solution or want to continue being a part of the problem? The answer is yours. Thank you.